Hey guys, I'm here today to review the Candle Club subscription box for February 2021. This is through Grace and Delilah. They usually have biblical fiction subscription boxes and then also candle clubs. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox this, which is really cute. The first thing, now the main thing you're going to get is a candle, but I found all these things at the top. So I've got a berry lip balm. I have a little mirror. I believe that is a mirror, which is cute. We've got the Grace and Delilah notepad. If you guys remember from all of my Grace and Delilah uploads, we had that. Then we have, it looks like a little bag of candy. And then, like with every Candle Club subscription, you're going to get a little jar of matches to go along with it, and on the bottom is the striking pad. So, for the candle of this month for February, and I love how it's all packed. I mean, this candle's not going anywhere, even if it's dropped. We have Be My Honey soy candle, and these are 16 ounces. They really burn well. They burn even. I have been burning the New York one lately, and it has lasted me a long time, and it burns perfect right down the jar. So that was everything that was in my box. I do want to show you just how well everything is packaged in here. You're getting bubble wrap inside the box that had the candle, and then all around it you have the little pink, like little pieces of fiber all around it too, so even it's not going anywhere, so it comes pretty well packaged. So I'm really impressed. I really love everything that comes in the box, but I really love the candles because they are really good quality. So I hope you guys check them out, and they are the Candle Club, and you can check them out at graceanddelilah.com.